Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Didi index indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be taking a look at an advanced testing of the Didi index indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 826 indicators, with 336 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We have also retested in the advanced testing 31 of the winning indicators. This one will be the 32nd. 10 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we're looking at an advanced testing of the Didi index indicator. And you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so in the original testing, this did over 10 trades within the 1 year's time. And so we kept it on the daily time frame. We didn't have to adjust the time frame, and we didn't have to adjust the stop or the take profit either. I think in the original testing, this did something around a 66% win rate, somewhere in that area, and I think it was around 18 trades in the 1 year's time. And so, as I said, you can see the Didi index indicator down here on the bottom of the screen. And so basically we have the two oscillating lines here. One is red, one is green. And the red line basically is tracking kind of the downtrend aspect of price action. The green line is tracking the uptrend kind of portion of price action, and whichever one is on top is supposedly the kind of predominant trend at the time. Now there is a zero line on this particular one, and so there is a few other indicators that have a setup like this as well, and they have the zero line, and generally what you look for, or what you could look for anyways, is the crosses that take place above the zero line. Now in the original video, we didn't use the zero line. We just looked for any cross that took place to see whether or not it would be worth just trading it that way. And as we got in the testing, we were able to get above that 60% marker that we were looking for. And so obviously it did well doing it that way, so we didn't test it any other way. And so we're not going to pay attention to the 0 line in this case. We're only looking for the crosses of the 2 lines. And so as the green line crosses up above the red line, for example, then that would be a signal to go long. As the red line crosses up above the green line, like we get right here, you can see that we would have an entry right here on this candle. We get a really nice push to the downside. Over here on this side, looking at this one, as the green line crosses up above the red line there, this would be the entry candle here and a really nice push to the upside. And so again, that's how we tested it in the original video. Both of those would have been winning trades, getting us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the advanced testing, the 50 trades, and we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what it was able to achieve over the advanced testing. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the advanced testing right there. Before we take a look at what that was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join, take part of the conversations in most of these channels here, but we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, Sasquatch here is an amazing Forex prop trader. One of our members here, he's posting charts like this on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and just general Forex analysis of the market. Posting really great charts, really informative charts, outlining kind of how you should be looking to mark up a chart and areas you should be looking for once you have a chart marked up, kind of understanding how Forex is flowing accordingly to that support and resistance, and things like wedge patterns and so on. And so then there are some of our other members who are just posting just some really great information, trades that they are looking to take. You can see here trades that they are in and are doing really well, and just general knowledge and support all around. So it's just a really great environment. Everybody's helping everybody out. Everybody's kind of coaching everybody and helping everybody to grow and become a better trader. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our results here, the advanced testing. Okay, so out of the 50 trades, we got 28 winning trades. We got 22 losing trades, putting us at a 56% win rate. And so obviously we're not going to maintain the 60% criteria that we are looking for in this case. And so this indicator is an interesting indicator. I definitely hate to keep saying it, but it seems like the majority of the decent indicators tend to hover right just slightly below the 60% or below the 60%. Some do exceedingly well and maintain the 60% criteria, and those are probably the ones we are going to concentrate more so than any of the other ones. But some of these ones that are down in the 55 to 60% range seem like they are still relatively decent indicators, giving pretty decent signals. And so I don't think we should just shrug them off by no means. It is possible that we may be able to use some of these other indicators in other areas, other strategies or systems, or just as maybe extra confirmation of some of the better indicators. I'm not really sure, but this one also seemed like one of those indicators. And of course, we didn't test it on the crosses that take place above the 0 line. It is a very valid way of testing it that could prove to get us back above that 60% criteria in the advanced testing. Not really sure, but for now this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.